Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to do the gold affinity effect. So now once you have typed your text right here, I typed gold and I choose a impact font. Now the next thing to do is click right here and go and convert to curve. Now it's converted to curve. Right click again and click on geometry here, add, and one more time click right and then group here. So now we have this. Before that, if you want to choose a background, here I choose this rectangle, black rectangle, and I choose the blend mode here, screen. So the changes that I will make for this text will not affect my background. So the next thing we should do is click on our layer here, the text, and go to the layer effects here. First thing, for the gradient, I will choose here the first thing, gradient overlay. For the blend mode, I will keep it normal. The gradient overlay, blend mode normal, the opacity 100, the type here linear, the scale X I'm gonna make it 240, and for the scale Y here 183. Here for the offset X 61 and offset Y minus 81. The direction here I will choose 90. So here the next thing is the bevel emboss effect. Click here. For the type I'm gonna choose inner. Here the radius 20, and for the softness 4.9 here. Here for the direction, for this one I will choose 147. And the elevation 57. So the next thing we will do is the 3D effect. Select it first. For the radius 80, and for the softness 4.2. Here for the diffuse 68. The specular 77. All you can do is copy these settings. And the shininess 90. Here for the ambient 67. I will not change this color, but instead the ambient color here to gray. Somewhere in here. Okay, and now for the light source here, for the direction I will choose 42 and 37. 42 and 37. Now the next thing we will do is close this window and click on our layer and click on gradient map here. So for this gradient map, once you clicked, it will show a window with this standard color here already applied. And now we will change those color inside this gradient map. Now here you can add like many points, so it will change the color inside of our text. For example, for this point, I'm gonna click and I'm gonna choose the first color here. I'm gonna type. I'm gonna link all these colors in the description box. So the first one here, I'm gonna click here on the next position at 8. Here you can see the position changing. I'm gonna type my color here, the code of it. Now for the next position, I will choose a 26 for my next position here. 26. And I will also type the code for it. For the next one, 31 is somewhere here. I'm gonna type my color. Okay. Now you can see that the gradient is changing like inside the text, and you can arrange them to your liking. You can add more position or like wherever you like to do. Here for 41, this position, I will choose this code. Now I will go on with the other one. I will choose here a, okay, this one probably. At 51, I will make it 53 instead. 53. Okay, I will just skip this one and drag this one at 53. So for 53, I will choose, I have like in total like 7 codes, 7 colors I'm working with. For 55 here, and I'm just playing with those colors at each point. Sorry, that's not the color. At 55, it's FF. Yes, it is right color. So here another one at 59, somewhere here. Okay, at 59, the same one as before. So you just go on like this until you get the result you like. At 64, I have this code I used before. Okay, and I got 4 more others here to add. 72, I got it right, like this one. Okay, now I got 3 more left here, and you can see our text, the gold effect is already seen. So now I got 2 more here at 85. Okay, here. Okay, so before the last one, and for the last one here, this one. You can just copy it each time. So for the last thing we're gonna add is go back here, click on our text and go back to the layer effect, to 3D here, and we will add one more. Click here on add to add another light source, and for this one I will choose 83 and 46 here, like this, and that's it. That's the final result. Subscribe if you like the video, and see you in another video. Thank you for watching.